Okay, so if you have a washing machine similar to this one, this is the Samsung WW80 or a similar model to that one. But if you can't open the door, I don't think there's any possible way to do this with a shim or any other way, because the mechanism actually goes into the washing machine itself. So the good news is that there's actually a button here inside which you can actually press down. So I will show you actually what that looks like now as best as I can, and I can show you what to do, how to open the door. This is the right hand side of the washing machine, and it's going to be in this corner about a halfway point, so about here on the inside. And what you will see is you'll see a little plastic kind of looks like a little plastic finger coloured with black. I'll show you exactly what I mean with there. So I'll zoom in even more so you can see with the torch. So that, if I get the right light, so by there you can see it's blue, and it looks like it just looks like a blue semicircle. You can see. Okay, so there we go. There's a better view of the tab. So basically all we're doing is we're reaching in and going down, and we're pressing this. We're pressing it down, and basically it's like a little spring. So this bit here, we're pressing it literally just down, and then if we see the door here, we press it, there we go, and then the door opens. There you go, and that's how you open the door. So when you do press the button, don't expect the door to open just by itself, because it won't fly open or nothing like that. You actually have to give it quite a little bit of a tug. The harder you press it, the more the latch opens. So yeah, you've got to give it quite a firm press, you know, just for reference, you know, quite a firm press. But in this case, the reason we're doing this is because it's tripping the fuse box, and this is tripping the fuse box, this particular model, because of the heating element. But there, the heating element. And I've taken it out and I've inspected it, and basically you can see, look, it's eroded away there slightly from touching the inside of the metal prongs inside, and that's allowed water to get into the heating element, and it's shorting it, which is not allowing anything. So pretty simple with this. And you can test this as well by unplugging don't take it out fully, but if you unplug both tabs of the heating element, the left and right, or the blue and red, try see if your washing machine comes on with that unplugged, and if it comes on and doesn't trip anything, then you know it's the heating element, which is usually the most likely cause for these. So yes, if you've got any more questions or comments, then let me know. But essentially, heating element is back here as well, by the way. So literally in there, this section here, and you'll see two wires going to the back of the heating element, because on the back of the washing machine only those two sections stick out at the back. You don't see any of that because it's inside. But yeah, make sure to subscribe because it really helps, guys. Thanks. Have a great day.